On March 26, 2025, in the quiet community of Olivehurst, California, a multi-agency drug operation turned deadly inside a suburban home. Within just 4 seconds, 2 people were dead: 60-year-old Rick David Oliver and Marysville police officer Osmar Rodarte. This video reconstructs those moments using official body cam footage, district attorney records, and forensic reports released by Yuba County. The operation was part of a multi-year investigation by the Yuba Sutter Narcotic and Gang Enforcement Task Force, also known as Net 5, working with the DEA to dismantle a drug trafficking network operating across Northern California. On the morning of March 26, law enforcement served 20 search warrants in 4 counties. One of those warrants targeted 1720 Kestrel Court, the home of Rick Oliver, a convicted felon suspected of dealing methamphetamine. Investigators later discovered that Oliver had consumed extreme amounts of the drug that night, with a blood level more than 10 times higher than the threshold for hallucinations and violent behavior. At 7:49 a.m., Tactical Team 2 pulled up in front of the residence in an armored Bearcat vehicle. The officers moved quickly through the side yard and into the backyard, approaching an open sliding glass door.
Push the side door.
At 7:49:53 a.m., Sergeant Daniel Trum entered the master bedroom, with Officer Osmar Rodarte close behind. Rick Oliver was concealed in the far corner, partly hidden behind a stack of large storage totes. The officers advanced carefully, trying to locate his hands and assess any threat. A reflection in a wall mirror revealed that Oliver was armed with a revolver. In the next few seconds, everything unraveled.
Sheriff's office! Get me your hands! Let me see your hands! I want your back! Show me your hands now! You got a gun! You got a gun!
A single shot was fired from the corner, followed instantly by a burst of rifle fire that lasted less than 2 seconds. When the shooting stopped, both Oliver and Officer Rodarte were down. Backup officers rushed into the bedroom. Sergeant Mallory found Oliver lying near the foot of the bed, a .357 Magnum revolver on the floor beside him. Outside, deputies carried Officer Rodarte to the Bearcat for treatment. Paramedics arrived within minutes, but despite all efforts, both men were pronounced dead. Oliver at the scene and Officer Rodarte at the hospital at 8:42 a.m. Crime scene investigators recovered 9 rifle casings and the revolver with 1 spent cartridge. Forensic tests confirmed that Oliver's single bullet struck Officer Rodarte beneath his armor, fatally injuring a major artery.
Go to the slider.
Go!
Hey,
Small room. Police department! Police department! Over here.
What do you got?
Down.
Who's down?
Down. Get him! Where you hit? Hey, hold him. Where's the gun? Come on. Hey, we need bodies! Where you at? We need bodies!
Have medics stage at the back gate.
Fuck! Get him out! Let's go!
Gun.
Get it. Open the front fucking door!
Exit the residence. Yuba County Sheriff's Department with the 10th Warrant, 1720.
ahead, go ahead. Go. Side door. Side door. Go. Sheriff's up there! Go. Sheriff's office! Go. Sheriff's office! Go! Get me here! Let me see your hands! I want your back. Show me your hands now! You got a gun! You got a gun!
You got mail on the left.
No, he's Amazon. Pull it out. 18 seconds! 18 seconds! Reach!
There's no fucking side door. Hey, dog!
Side door!
Slide, go to slide, move.
Go! Sheriff's up here! Sheriff's office!
Go ahead, go. Go. Police department! Police department!
The Yuba Sutter Critical Incident Investigation Team documented the scene, interviewed officers and witnesses, and forwarded their findings to the district attorney. On September 30, 2025, District Attorney Clinton Curry released his public report. He concluded that Sergeant Trum and Officer Rodarte acted in self-defense and in defense of others. In his words, both officers were legally justified when they used deadly force against Rick David Oliver. The shooting, he said, lasted less than 4 seconds, and there was no opportunity for de-escalation. A single shot from a hidden revolver triggered a chain of tragedy. In seconds, a veteran sergeant and a young officer found themselves fighting for their lives. Both men fired, both would never recover from that morning. The district attorney ruled the use of deadly force justified, closing the case 6 months later. But the bodycam footage, now public, preserves every second of how quickly a planned drug raid turned into a fatal exchange.